Another great property offered by the Pimentel Group of Long and Foster. We strive to serve our real estate audience with the highest level of commitment, whether you are buying or selling a home. This home is just another one of our many offerings. Who needs a basement when you can enjoy one-level living featuring first-floor master suite, gourmet-style kitchen, living room, and laundry on one level? Add in the bonus upper-level suites featuring 2 additional bedrooms and dedicated custom full bath and you have the perfect little package. From front to back, this charming Cape Cod boasts modern efficiency throughout. Finished with a European flair, this home will be the talk of the town. Beautiful raised panel wood cabinets graced with granite and finished with modern handles offers lots of unique storage. Distressed hardwood grain flooring that promises a lifetime of durability. Master suite features spacious custom tiled walk-in shower with glass tile accents. New windows drench home with natural light throughout.